It's 7 o'clock in the morning and it's very, very quiet here in the backyard. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are doing well. I am going to see what's going on here in our small backyard garden. Do some morning walk and check what needs to be done. Today it's going to be a very hot day, so I like to do my garden task early in the morning. As I step out here in the backyard, I notice this beautiful rose. It's blooming. On the label it says this is Rose America, but I am not sure about that. What do you think? Is this Rose America? Looks so beautiful. The Alison is blooming so beautifully. This is right here in the pathway. Look how it is. And here on the other side, this looks so nice. I just tried it this year and I am going to repeat it again for the next season because I really like the look of it here in the entrance of our gate, and it just gives a really good scent here as soon as you come in our backyard. I want to show you one of the roses that I bought as well. I haven't planted it yet, and it's blooming too. And this is Rose Jeans Monk, and this the other one is already faded. It's the old flower, and then the newest one. It has a really good scent as well, and soon I am going to plant it where I have my wildflower planted, so that would be a good location for it, which is right here. These are the wildflowers, and soon I am going to take it out, clean it up, and place my jeans monk rose in here. Look at this beauty right here. That bird is here every morning. When I sat on my bench, it just continues singing. Sounds so beautiful. So in here, finally my blazing star is blooming nicely. Look at that. Together with my hydrangea. And the daisy lasts really long. I have cleaned and cut the old blooms, and they look great. So this is on the side of the fence, and then on the trellis I have this clematis that's in bloom. That's in bloom right now. Looks so beautiful. So in these wild flowers, there is one seeds of I don't know what's the name of this. I think this is cosmos, which is very tall. One seeds goes a long way. And then we have the snapdragon in here. Hey, they're blooming. Bees love it. Oh, the Signias too, here. I grown this from seeds. I really love the bloom of Signia. Look at that. So beautiful. Here's the pink one. The hummingbird goes crazy with Signia. My double flower cascade, it's blooming non-stop. Looks so pretty. You know the water fountain that we have over here? It helps a lot of visitors here in the backyard. The crickets, the butterfly, the bees, the birds, they like to come over here and take a drink in this little water fountain. Black Eye Susan is now blooming as well. And all the Shasta Daisy are looking great still. It's been blooming for at least 2 weeks now. Same with my echinacea. This is called Pow Pow White echinacea, and I really like that. I'm trying to get more of this, but I couldn't find any more, so I might divide that one soon and try to spread it in the garden, because I really like it a lot, and it blooms. The blooms last so long, and the pollinators love it too. So yes, I am going to divide that soon, spread it in the garden. And here's one of my favorite annual flower, my Signia. Look how beautiful it is. This is giant flower Signia. They are very tall, about 3 feet. And yes, hummingbird always come and visit this flower. The blazing star here on this corner are now in full bloom. And later I am going to harvest some of my raspberries. We've been harvesting these raspberries almost every day, but the fruits are just so sweet, and it never stopped giving us fruit. So You just keep harvesting it. Look at the creeping Jenny that I have here in the pot. And look what's on here. What are you doing there, huh? These beetles really love the leaves of calla lily. They destroyed it. So I am going to take care of that soon. Oh, look at this beautiful flower right here beside me. The Cascade Flower in a pot. And I really like to look at the pot when the sun is on it. Looks mysterious. These are my forgot the name of it. It's just in the tip of my mouth, of my tongue, and then I forgot the name of it, seriously. I'll leave it on the link below. What? I forgot the name of this beautiful flower. I plant this every year, and I just woke up, so I have excuses. I couldn't believe the rose is blooming a lot. Look at that. This is the topaz jewel. So this is another addition in the garden. I am planning to put roses on this side of the deck. So one will be climbing rose, which is right here. I have clematis right there, but it's not doing well. It's been there for how many years, but I don't know, it's just not doing good in this area. So I'm pulling that, and then I'm planting this beautiful rose right here. It's called, yes, it's called Rose America. So it's a climbing rose, and this is going to this trellis right here. And beside it, I am going to plant the topaz jewel, which is yellow color, over right here. And then I think I'm going to add another rose, which is a shrub rose as well. I think a floribunda rose, a showbiz. So in this side here, so it's gonna be 3 roses as soon as you come in, and this little gate right here. So that's the plan. I hang all my tools in here so that I have easy access to it when I need it. They are doing really good in here too, except the cucumber. Yep, they're all wilting now, so there's nothing I can do, so I'll just leave it. And I've harvested a lot of cucumbers already on it. It's just so frustrating that every year after my cucumber give us fruits, it will die and wilt. I'm not sure if it is too much water because it's been raining here a lot, or there's something wrong with the soil. But anyways, I just harvested a whole bunch of vegetables in here, so it's almost look empty. But yep, tomato keep, there's 2 in there. I just harvested that 2 yesterday, and then there's another 3 that need to be harvested here on the side of the my shed. I planted at least 4 pots right there, kale and mint. So I don't use this space, so I'm like, why not put some pots right there? And the plants is growing nicely anyways. So that's another space for vegetables. And I clear up the sidewalk here, I mean my little pathway here, because it's getting crazy. So now it's easy to come around and harvest some beans if I need to. The beans is a lot to harvest in there. And oh yeah, my herbs. This is my herbs. This is parsley, Italian parsley, and the curl leaves parsley, looking amazing. And then I just had the celery under it, and another celery in here as well. There we go. The squash over there has a ton of flowers. Oops, sorry for the glare of the sun there. Here we go, we're out there. I potted some creeping jenny in here. I'm going to replant it in the front yard. And I have some chives, onion chives, that I planted from seeds as well, and now it's doing really well. I'm going to transplant that as well. And there's more flower that I'm growing from seeds that's ready to be planted, I think, in fall. So yeah. Alrighty, so that's all for today. Thank you for joining me for a quick walk, checking things here in the backyard. And oh yes, I want to show you something here that I just planted. I think May. The month of May, I have planted this new down rose. And look how big it is now. It's not even a year, just only a few months. And look how tall it is now. So I am excited to see the bloom of this new down rose. I couldn't believe that it grows so fast. So I am guiding it horizontally, so that it will give me more blooms, and I'm hoping this fall will get some blooms on it. Alright, that's all for today. You have a good day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.